Ma'am Abigail. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Abigail Alonso Diaz from Philippines. I'm 42 years old.
All right. So, where do you live?
I live in San Jose City, Nueva Ecija.
What is your marital status?
Married.
Okay. So, do you have any children?
3.
Okay. So, please tell me your educational background.
High school graduate.
Okay. So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, 2 brother and 1 sister.
Okay. So, please tell me, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. In what country?
Japan, UAE, and Thailand.
Okay. So, what is your position?
Japan, I'm waitress. In UAE, housekeeping.
Mm-hmm. For how many years?
2 to 4 years.
Okay, so did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Actually, it's direct hiring.
all right. So please tell me your duties and responsibilities as housekeeping in UAE.
My duties in housekeeping is 6 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Wala yata yung alaga mo ah. May interview ako. Ha?
All right.
Hello?
Hello. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
did you finish your contract in UAE?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for the last question, Ma'am Abigail, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
My message of my employer is I do everything in my work to do my job. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.